We started our unit in 2002, and before this we were into utensils business. We started with a 9 Solna printing machine. The all were second hand. Then in 2007 we had purchased a brand new Camry from Inside Communication, and after getting this purchase for the new machine, we started eliminating all the old machines. New entrepreneur to industry, we started in 2002 along with a full color Solna printing machine, hand punchings and one image setter. But due to the help with the Inside Communication, we installed our new machine in 2007. After the installation of a new machine, we had slowly removed all the old machines, and we are quite happy with the new machines. We are specialized into pharma printing, and we are trying to give our best services along with the quality with a good market price and competition. Being a new to industry, our dad decided to divide the both brothers into two different fields. One is a printing engineer who takes care for the production and the quality of the industry, and second, myself is in the commercial line who takes care for the commercial aspects. The relation starts with the insight and continues to come over. That will never end. We are fully satisfied with the printing machines, services, technical support, and they are continuously giving us the latest trends about the latest technology throughout the world. Production experience of our first machine, we had decided to buy another brand new machine from the Inside Communication, and we are quite happy with the new machine with the all updated options, latest technologies, and sheet size is quite increased, and it's completely HUV ready. That will help us to grow in the future specialized printing market. The best ever decision was to buy a new machine, and this was not into the market trends. We had personally experienced the benefit to buy a new machine in terms of productivity, quality, cost effective, labor problem and maintenance free machine. We feel very proud to be the first owner of LSX 529C HUV ready machine, that is first in India. We thanks Inside Communications to give us this chance to be the first owner of this machine. These days market trend is no more only in the CMYK. The market changes to a specialized printing and the Pantone shades, along with the short-term jobs which are quite easy to be printed only in the brand new machines, as it takes the less time and the cost of the productivity, quality and everything comes very down. The best part of buying a new machine is saving the labor cost, electricity and the material used been as a consumable on the machine. This has been the best decision to buy a new machine for the one job to another job changeover. We would like to thank Inside Communication for all the printing machines, CTPs and the best services which has been provided by their engineers. They help us 24 hours, 65 days, and our production never helps up because of their services.